Hey, what is going on today, fam? So we are back again. Today, we finally get started on the EG. I mean, I know we've been working up on all this time, but today is the day when the engine officially comes out. This is the last time this thing will be powered by a D-Series, and the next time we see this thing run, it will have a K-Series in there right now. I've never dropped one of these out, so I brought my buddy Eli, help me out. Little Honda guru right there. So we're gonna go ahead and tackle this thing. So I'll talk y'all just through what we're doing and just some little tips and tricks, you know, that he knows along the way. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this thing going. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, so we have made some progress. I know the time lapses are a bit sporadic with what we're showing, but pretty much so far, we got all the exhaust out, took out the undershell underneath there, you know, headers off as well. We came and freed a sort of axles from the hubs over here. So now we're just working on the bottom. We may or may not take out the axles, still trying to figure that out. We did drain the transmission, because if you do go to take out your axles, then and then you will go ahead and lose training fluid there. We drain our coolant system just so when we disconnect all those coolant lines, we minimize mess. So yeah, we are moving along at a pretty good speed. Almost done with everything on the bottom, then we'll go to the top. All right, so we got everything out and done underneath. Axles are out. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the top. Gotta get the radiator out. Gotta get this part of the intake off, power steering disconnected, and just some other miscellaneous things like the wire harness and stuff like that. But once we get there, then the engine will be ready to drop out of this thing. And we're gonna be dropping it from the bottom. Yeah, and dropping it on my little dollar there, so let's get it. Whew. All right, y'all, we've been putting in work. We have got it going. Radiators out. Got the whole airbox assembly out there. Got the wire harness just isolated to the engine itself. Now, power steering pump disconnected. Yeah, throttle cable disconnected. So she's looking pretty good. We took out the lower torque mounts already. What did we do with that thing right there? We took both of those out on both sides. Now we're working on getting the rear engine mount. Then once we do that, we're gonna actually go ahead and drop the engine from below. And just like that, we have her in, well, we have her out. Tons of space inside of there to do activities, ready for K to go in, which I cannot wait. About to just test and try to roll a sort of K-Series underneath it, just to see what it looks like in the engine bay. You know, just as a bit of motivation.